So back on Scott and Sandy's Avanti, we had a couple tired plug wires, so we're going to get a set of those coming. That's not really the issue. There really isn't much of an issue because it's really clean in here. I am impressed with the cleanliness inside this engine. As you know, we were pulling the valve covers, got them off. We're going to adjust the valves next time we're over. So we're going to just kind of throw some rags on this valve train. But I wanted to show you the valve cover gaskets that came out. This one's the one out of the driver's side. And the legend Chuck Sherman was over here too. And we were both nitpicking about that was not installed right. Look at that icky poo mess. Gee, I wonder why the valve cover was leaking. I'm going to take this outside. All right, so passenger side. Driver side. Holy hell. Do you wonder why it was leaking? I mean, at least it's not silicone bombed, but obviously people weren't paying attention here.